Hey everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to touch base this time and make a real quick post about homework. I mean, think about homework. Has any word brought more dread to a student than the word homework? The way homework works in my room, at least, may be different for Mrs. Kudre, Mr. Butler, and Mr. Sudica. But the way that homework works for me is when I do assign homework, which I try not to overburden the kids with it. My homework policy is very, very simple. Anytime I assign any homework, I post it onto our assignment board over here. At the end of the day, the kids will fill that in their planners. And then when they get home, this is the tricky part, and this is the part that might make you scratch your head, is that if they have homework for me, I don't want them working more than 20 minutes on homework at home. Now, what's cool about this is that all the homework I assign is constrained, or it's bounded by that 20-minute window. We give them about 20 to 25 minutes at the end of the day as a academic study hall where they can get some additional help from me or from the other teachers. So theoretically, they should not be bringing homework home. Now, obviously, in some cases where the concept's really, really challenging for a kid, maybe it's going to require them to bring it home. But if they do bring it home, I want you to limit it to 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Now you might be saying, what if they're not done? That's okay. That's the beautiful part about it. Because I am more concerned that your son or daughter is learning and understanding, more importantly, understanding what they're doing than completing a set of problems. So if they don't complete their homework, that is okay with me. At the end of that 20 minutes, though, I do want them to answer a couple questions additional for me. So if they complete the homework, they're good, they're done. They don't have to answer any other questions for me. If they're not finished, the first question I want them to answer for me, and I literally want them to write this on their homework page, is that if they feel stuck, like they're confused, they don't get it, it's too hard for them, I want to know what information do they need from me to get unstuck. The other question I want them to answer for me, right on their homework, underneath the stuck question, is if you were to continue working on your homework, what would be the next step you would do to complete this assignment? Now, this is math, this is spelling, this is writing, reading, science, this is all subjects. So 20 minutes, the kiddo's done. They bring those back to me and they say, hey, look, Mr. T, I didn't get my homework done. And I'll say, hey, that's okay. Tell me, where did you get stuck? And if they say yes, then I'm expecting to see what information they need to get unstuck. Now, if they show up and say, I'm stuck, and I say, what information do you need to get unstuck? And they say, I don't know. That doesn't help me as a teacher. I can't help them learn if I don't know where they're getting hung up. I hope that makes sense. So 20 minutes, answer those two questions. If you're stuck, what information do you need to get unstuck? As well as what is the next step you would do if you kept working on this homework? They bring that back to class, and then we work from there. I hope that clarifies homework a little bit. If you have any other questions about homework, again, please shoot me an email, give me a phone call.